Well, looks like we got it going. We down here at the preschool. It's running. We gonna check the refrigerant on it to see how the refrigerant doing on it. But it's running good. Throwing off good heat. Got it all wired in right. If we didn't, it'd have been a popping fire by now. So we got the preschool and see. Oh yeah, boy, that line's good and cold. It's no use putting no gauges on here. But it's an old 22 York system. So last time I was down here, kind of washed it out a little bit. So it's still kind of clean, but that was our problem right there. Some sorted out. But everything new now. It's running good. And like I said, it's good and cold. We ain't gonna use putting no gauges on it, but I will. We're gonna have some air, so we're gonna let it run all night till in the morning. It comes here to be cool. It'll be cool. Well, I guess it's after 4 o'clock. They gone, so what I'll do, I'll just go and put all this stuff up, and it'll stay running. I'll get my cage put back on. Then I guess this and evening just about call it done deal. Yep. Sounds good. No rattling, no bumping, no nothing. A little high. They say it ain't loud as none, but 14.9, about 15 I kind of hope this lasts him out the year because, I mean, you know, trying to help the sit out, but anyway, I just hope it lasts out the year. It runs good. If it don't, then we just have to try to replace this outside unit, I guess. But nevertheless, it's running good now. Yep.